Rebecca, and these are my reviews, and I have another Oxford Momma box. If you haven't seen my other ones, first of all, I will link them in the description box for you. This is a box geared toward moms, but you don't necessarily have to be a mom to enjoy this box. It's a lot of self-care items as well as a book, and the book is supposed to be more of a self-care type of book as well. So anyway, I have not peeked in this one yet. Ooh. This is nice. We have a little pamphlet card thing. That's new. This is a newer box. I think this is the third box ever, which is exciting. So I'm sure as the company grows, things will change. That's how it always seems to go. Okay, this is cute. So it has a little thing about the creator, Tiffany, and some self-care tips on the back. These are the products that are in it, some moms to follow, and their Instagram handles looks like. This is cute. This is a great little thing. I'm excited. Okay, let's see. Bubble Bubble Pop Charcoal Bubble Sheet Mask. And is there two of them? There's two of them. This is exciting. I love sheet masks. I really, really do. I'm like totally obsessed with them. Ooh, these look fun. I'm sure these are the ones that like you, oh yeah, okay. So it comes out like a charcoal mask. I've used these before where it's, you know, like a black sheet, you put it on and then it starts foaming and bubbling and it tickles. Oh, and this is the bonus. Sheet masks from MaskerAide, $11, June bonus. Cleansing, soothing, and fun all in one. Oh, that's fun. I'm excited to use these. And then this is a code for 40% off Let's Face It. Cleanse, remove makeup, balance, and nourish. Oh, that's kind of cool. I'm gonna have to look that up. Okay, oh, my candle. Every month we get a candle from Moi Candle Company, and this one is Clean Cotton. Can't say that I'm crazy about that scent. This one is in a little tin. My last one, oh, here's my last two actually, were in little jars like this, so, you know. I like the tin. I do not like, oh, and is this one of those wood wick things? Oh, that's kind of cool. I don't like this scent though. You know what though? I'm gonna save this and re-gift it. Because it's one of those, like, I'm sure somebody else would like that scent, it's just me. Okay, what is this little cute little box? This mom is doing her best. That's cute, it's a little pin. I'm totally gonna put that. I have a jean jacket that I have a bunch of pins on, so I'm probably gonna put it on that. That's cute. Now or never. Looks like just a little notepad. That's cute. I love little notepads like this. I was actually just using one today. Oh, and some pencils. You are loved. How cute, little pink pencils. Oh, that's fun. I'll have to put those next to my little notepad. I can and I will. Little postcard thing, or you know, you could frame it or whatever. That's cute though. Motivational. I love you with all my butt. Okay, let me see what this says about this. Just because kids are little doesn't mean they don't have big things to say. Read all about their unintentional hilarity in this illustrated book by Martin Bruckner. How cute. Harper Grace, age 3. Dad, Harper, do you know who Cupid is? Harper, some sort of sloth or something? Dad, And then it's just, you know, like it said, it's just illustrated with cute little kid-isms. Empire snake building. That's great, I love it. I'm a cheetah, Daddy's a cheetah, Ella's a cheetah, Mommy's a grassland goat. This is really cute. I like this. This is just a good little giggle when you're feeling low or frustrated with your kids. This is cute, what a fun box. Oh, I think this is my favorite box yet. What fun, so cute. Okay, well, I will leave all of the information in the description box. This would make such a great gift for a mom that you know, or even just, you know, a woman who could use a little inspiration and extra self-love in her life. I think that this is an awesome, awesome box. So let me know what you guys think of this box, and if you think you might get one, or, you know, maybe in the future you would gift one to someone. I think it's a lot of fun. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!